Writing style, engaging. Hey everyone! I've just gotten my hands on the Infinix Hot 10 Play, and today we're going to unbox it and give you a full review. Let's jump right in. Straight out of the box, the Infinix Hot 10 Play greets us with its vibrant 6.82-inch HD Plus screen. The display is pretty large, which is fantastic for streaming videos or gaming. But let's talk about how it feels in the hand. The build is plastic, yet it has a sleek finish which gives it a surprisingly premium feel. Now, powering this device is the MediaTek Helio G35 processor paired with 2 GB of RAM. It's not top tier, but for everyday tasks like browsing and social media, it does the job pretty well. What's intriguing about this phone is the battery life. It packs a massive 6,000 mAh battery. Yes, you heard that right. This phone can easily last 2 days with moderate use, which is a huge plus. Turning our attention to the cameras, it features a dual camera setup on the back with a 13-megapixel main sensor. Now in broad daylight, the photos are crisp and vibrant, but as the light dims, you might notice some graininess. It's decent for the price point, but don't expect flagship quality shots. What about the software? The Infinix Hot 10 Play runs on Android 10 Go edition. It's a lighter version of Android, designed to run smoothly on devices with less powerful hardware, and it does make the user experience quite snappy. Oh, and before I forget, let's talk about what else is in the box. Alongside the phone, you get a charger, a set of earphones, and a soft case. Pretty standard, but it's nice to see all these accessories included. So what's the verdict? If you're on a budget and need a phone that can handle day-to-day tasks and won't leave you tethered to a charging cable, the Infinix Hot 10 Play might just be the phone for you. It's affordable, performs decently, and has a battery that just keeps going. I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews like this one. Until next time, take care and keep teching.